welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Thato and most immediately welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be following Zoe Kravitz Vogue makeup tutorial. Yes, yet another one. I've done this on my channel, and when I saw Zoe Kravitz's tutorial, I was like, definitely need to check this out because she's such a natural queen, such a natural beauty, and I just wanted to see what her beauty routine looks like and then just try it out and see how it will look when I do it. So let's get into the video. So I will be watching the video on my laptop over here.
Hi, this is Zoe Kravitz, and today we're gonna do some stuff to my face. I'm gonna wash my face with this Rhonda Allison pumpkin cleanser. It smells like Christmas. So I just wet my hands, got it nice and frothy.
So we're gonna step right into makeup. You're gonna skip the skincare stuff because I've already done my preps. My skincare is already done. I just want to see her makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna skip right into that.
We're gonna start with some Fenty primer.
So she starts out with primer. I am going to be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I don't have the products that she's using. I'm gonna try and use similar products to what she is using.
Shout out to that gal Riri, because you're just like so cool. We don't want to be you, especially like after putting lots of serums on and stuff. We're nice and dewy, which we love. There are some places that we don't want to be dewy. We have to mat it. So just put a little bit, very little, especially if you're gonna go over it with makeup, because it can roll. Now we're going to put on a little concealer. I don't like on a daily basis wear foundation, but it's nice to like balance things out. Our Touche Éclat. I love this stuff because it's light and just kind of brighten things up. Sometimes a lot comes out. Just put it on your hand like that. And this is great for like a happy medium of just like covering little spots. I started wearing makeup probably when I was 14, 15. My mom always tried to like get me to not, but I would buy it. I also like plucked my eyebrows really thin when I was 15, and my mom yelled at me, God bless her soul, and told me if I ever touch my eyebrows again, she was like, I'll be mad. And I'm so glad she did, because I love my eyebrows and they're nice and thick and they grew back, which I'm really lucky. Eyebrows. We have this YSL Couture Brow Pencil, and we're just gonna like fill in the brows. I like to start in the middle and not the front, just to like kind of control the shape. And you don't want the front to be too heavy. I love makeup. I love doing it. I think it's like a literal art form. And like obviously a red lips, like people know you're wearing red lips, but I just think there's also so many like fun little secrets where it's fun that no one can tell you're wearing, something on your eyes or on your face. It's like a little trick. I like to trick people. So I just think there are different kinds of makeup, and like everyone finds their own style, but I do like to try and encourage people, and I say this all the time, but to enhance the things that you love and not try and like change your face completely or reshape your face completely. Sometimes it's fun to do that, but like everyone is so pretty in their own way. So now we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It's a Korean brand. I believe it's pronounced Cheongdam. And I love it because it's really thin. So it's just easier to control. We're about to embark on a journey together. I don't go all the way across. I like to start like about here. And then I usually like, that's what I do. I like literally wipe it with my finger, which kind of gives it like a sharper edge. So if we're doing like a more cat eye liner, I like it kind of fresh, but if you're doing like inside the waterline, I think that always looks good like the next day. Ooh, that looks nice. Because it's like smudges down a little bit. Like I like it even when it comes down a little bit. I think it feels a little bit more natural when it's not like super pointy and going up too much. Like I basically want to make my eyes look like bigger and open them up.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I just want to pause right here and talk about how life-changing this eyeliner trick is. Like, she does her eyeliner in such a simple manner, but it's so, do you see that? Do you see that? Like it's so impactful. It's so minimalistic but yet impactful. So I'll definitely say this trick is good for beginners. If you are somebody who struggles with eyeliner, definitely try this out. If you are in a hurry and want to get something that's impactful, that's beautiful, but still super quick, try this look. But definitely what you need to do is you need to use a cream or like a casual pencil. You can't use your liquid liner, I feel, for this look, because you kind of have to, when you do this, it kind of smudges it and cleans it at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but it does. So try it out and you'll definitely understand what I mean. But like, do you guys see this? Do you see it? Do you see this?
We're gonna use this Sun-Kissed Nude Sticks, and it's a nice creamy texture. I don't know why, but I tend to like put everything on my hand first, just so that you make sure there's not too much. You can control it. You wanna smile? You wanna smile like this?
She's using a cream blush. I don't have one currently, so I'm gonna use a lipstick instead. Actually, this is such a great hack. So I'm using this Essence Matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Match. And I'm first going to put it on my finger, then rub it off like the excess there, and then just take it from there and onto my cheek.
And put a little on your cheeks. You can also pat a little on your eye. I actually really like it when the eyelids are the same color as the cheeks, because it just feels like a natural, consistent, like this is the color of my face. But it does feel like just kind of like a natural blushy feel. And I also, obviously brushes are a thing, but I tend to do makeup with my fingers. We're gonna do a little highlighter. We're gonna use this incredible Pat McGrath, I love you Pat, highlighter. And so we're just gonna put a little on the cheekbone. So, and a little extra zhuzh is I like to put a little bit of the highlighter just in the corners. Something I love about this is it has like a balm on the other side. So it's just nice to like go over the highlighter with the balm, like blends it and like it makes it look less dry and actually adds to the highlight effect. So now we're gonna do lips. I'm going to start with a lip liner. This is a Marc Jacobs lip liner. My technique for liner is just like to go pretty soft and like slowly build, as opposed to like lip liner and lipstick. I think it's like a better thing to like build, because I really like a pouty lip. If you want to kind of make your lips look a little bigger, I would go lower here as opposed to like up here. You bring it up a little and do like the inside of your lip. And it gives you like a little cute little shape. And I like to like blur it out a little bit, because again, I don't like a harsh lines. So we're going to use the Slim Radical Matte Lipstick by YSL, because we're doing, again, like an everyday thing. We're gonna go for like a pinky, pretty lip. Again, we're just gonna kind of like pat. I'm pretty good at doing makeup in transit, just because, I don't know, in New York, I've done makeup like on the stoops and like in a lot of dimly lit bathrooms. You can go back over with like the lip liner and do like a little. We look good, we feel good, we smell good. Thank you guys so much for watching my face and beauty routine.
Okay, so she's done with the tutorial and this is what I came up with, and I just have to say, wow, like, what? Like, I definitely understand what she means by like the blush and the eyeshadow being the same shade. Looks like this is the color of my face. And so for me, because I also use, you know, one lipstick and I also used it as the lipstick, it gave my face the soft pink essence type of vibe. And I also used my eyeliner, my eyebrow pencil 3 times as eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, lip liner. So I feel like everything just sort of blended in together and I just have this soft look. It literally, this is most probably the most makeup no makeup look that I've ever worn, that I've ever done. I don't wear makeup every single day. So I either wear makeup or I don't. So obviously on days where I decide to wear it, I do sort of either a full face or a semi full face. So that just means that maybe a simpler eye look, maybe no lashes, but generally there is foundation and your powders. So yeah, I absolutely love this look. I feel like I'm gonna adopt this look for those times or those days where you have to quickly get ready, go somewhere, and you have to get ready in 5 minutes, because I take forever to get ready. So I feel like this could be like a 5-minute look, a quick look. I used to love this lipstick so much and I put it away for such a long time, and I'm just so glad that this makeup look made me pull it up, because I'm just like, wow, like I'm falling in love with it again, and I'm just remembering, you know, like an oldie but a goodie. And yeah, I enjoyed creating this look so much. I enjoyed following her tutorial. I was really interested the first time I saw it, because I was like, I don't know, it's so natural. She really barely does anything, so how's it gonna turn out on me? But I absolutely love the results, you guys. Like, I love him. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm super impressed. Like, I really, like, that's on that, period. Like, that's that on that. Like, that is it. I'm impressed. I'm happy about it. So let me know what you think of this look in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet. If you enjoyed this video, how about you hit that thumbs up button and let me know that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this look, what you think in general. What are you gonna try out? Because I mean, wow, this is such a, guys, let me just wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like this video if you enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Just can't wait to see you in the next one.